Why did that one couple call off the divorce? A very interesting story of a reunion. My grandma's parents divorced when she was 4. Her mom took her to Denmark to live with her grandparents. My grandma grew up there and then returned to the US, she was still a citizen, to start a family of her own. Her dad remarried and had 4 more kids. When the first 3 of my grandma's kids were in high school, her mom came back to live with her and my grandpa to help with the kids. After nearly 40 years, my great-grandpa was disillusioned with his new family and left them, all kids grown, to remarry my great-grandma. They lived happily together until their mid-90s and died 8 months apart. My great-grandma was still alive, but the doctors said she died of a broken heart after my great-grandpa passed away. This reunion was really unique.